पूरे वक्त हर किसी को जाके बोल रही है मैं थाने पहुंचा दूंगी, मैं ये कर दूंगी, मैं ये कर दूंगी, तुम्हें जेल, you know, like all of that. Entitled. But then you also see that she's so vulnerable and she's so lonely, you know, that she doesn't, like, there's a soft side to her also. Like, there's an outer tough shell, but the minute, even the first scene where they're at the party, like, you see her, she's full of life and she's dancing, and even with like Kamyar, like, he's twirling her around and all of that. But the minute he says, "Tum chali jao," so there's, you know, she drops and like she goes home, and there's this whole episode
she
where,
goes
you know,
home with a bottle of
with the champagne.
Champagne थी कि wine थी? वैसे
champagne थी. That, and then she goes home, and then she tries to call her mom.
And she's on some kind of medication as well, so she is on antidepressants or something.
Yeah, so you can tell that there is something with her.
This broken home. There's
yeah,
a mother
like broken home,
yeah.
and you know. So I feel like that is very visible and evident, and I know people can see it because they're having sympathy also.
Yeah.
Like in one scene, I saw somebody's comment. They said, "Why we hate this character, but why do we feel bad for her?" You know, because in this one scene, in the last episode or something, she says she goes to Kamyar and she's like, you know, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि मैं किसके पास जाऊँ, मैं तुम्हारे पास आ गई. She's so lonely.
Yeah.
And every time you see her outside at Ira's or with the mom or with friends, you can tell that, you know, there's nothing wrong with her. But the minute you see her alone or with Kamyar or her dad or like speaking to her mom, she's sad. Like, you know, she has this, she's got abandonment issues. Yeah. She's got childhood trauma. And even with Kamyar, like, you know, and let's say agar wo uske saath ho chuka hai pehle bhi, this whole rejection and all of that, she's so scared to be even abandoned
by him,
by Kamyar. And you know, because आपने हमेशा सोचा होता है ना कि बस यही है मेरा, इसी से शादी होगी and like whatever, because वो इतनी दफा बोलती है कि भाई तुम्हारी लाइफ में तो कोई टिकता ही नहीं है. उसको लगता है कि भाई ये है and this, she will get him. And I think in normal life also, maybe like a lot of people can't, I won't say not able to relate, but I myself come from a broken family, and kids actually do really feel the pressure, not pressure, but like the outcome of parents getting separated or like, you know, things going wrong in the house.
I'm sorry we didn't touch upon that as well.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. So
is there a reflection of that in the character as well?
There is, like, you know, you can tell that the parents are separated. And the last episode, she also says that, you know, I really miss my mom and I love her, but मेरी उनके husband से नहीं बनती.
But I also miss her a lot, but उनके husband की मुझसे बनती ही नहीं है.
You know, so there's this distance, but माँ तो माँ है.
Yeah.
You know, and it's very, like, I would say, like when I did my thesis film, and it's just something that touched me so much because I was very young. So my thesis film was about this. Like, you know, it was about this 10-year-old kid who has a single mother, and then he, like, it was short because it's 12 minutes. So it was from his point of view, what he sees, his mom getting into, you know, getting close to another man or like, you know, a relationship, and how kids perceive that and how it affects them. Generally, to hum nahi sochenge na. Like now, I feel like now also it's become very common. When back in the days when my parents got separated, I would almost be embarrassed,
right,
to say, you know, why can't my dad sign my report card?
Right.
You know, stuff like that. So again, and it's not just about separation. Like if you see in Bilal's character, in some way, he also has a troubled,
absolutely, it's a troubled home,
childhood and troubled home, except for his dadi. Like when you see him with dadi, like, you know, you see the good side of him, and of course there's a good side to everybody. Like he'll call her darling and sweetheart, and like those sweet moments with the dadi. But with the parents again, उन्होंने neglect, उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में वो इतना वो थे कि उन्होंने नहीं देखा, और वो बार बार बोलता भी है, like he's very vocal about it also. And then, you know, when people say that it's toxic, and this is who he is. You know how they say man is known by the company he keeps. Yeah. You also, like, I'm very sensitive to energies. You know, just to energies,
Right.
like
Of
different
course.
people around you.
Yeah.
So you actually absorb a lot of energies. So the kind of people he's around also, जो party कर रहे हैं, जो ये वो whatever, वो वैसा ही है. उसको लग रहा है ये दुनिया है. So when you see him with Ira, and in whatever way capacity he attracts that energy, you see that change in him. I know
Although she's quite hyper as well, but
she is, yeah. But in a different way. Like if you see the minute she's with us, she's like a different person with Kamyar or whatever. But when you see her with the family, she's, you know, so well knitted and close bonded. And maybe that's the energy that she's giving out, and that's what he's accepting, and that's different from what he has.
This is your perception of
This is what my perception.
Yeah, so this is how you perceive the character and what's happening around. How do you, as Varda, of course, respond or react to all the criticism that the first 2 episodes got, and the fact that, okay, you're a modern, contemporary, educated, emancipated young woman.
Yeah.
Do you feel that any of it was valid? All that criticism that, you know, okay, we are enabling toxic behavior, we're glamorizing it. अगर ये अमीर ना होता, good looking ना होता, तो कोई इसको accept ना करता कि ये क्यों? Why are they rooting for the Ira Kamyar couple? Why? You've shown him to be a playboy. You've shown him to be abusive. वो गाड़ी को आग लगा देता है. Really toxic. लेकिन एक थप्पड़ खाता है and he falls in love and he's ready to completely turn around. उस वक्त से he's a new person. जबकि रियल लाइफ में अगर ऐसे किसी ने थप्पड़ खाया हो तो वो आगे से उसको भी आग लगा देता. Do you think it's responsible storytelling as Varda? And B, is the criticism valid?
See, it's valid. I would say, like, you know, people have their own opinions and stuff.
Yeah.
My perspective on this is that it's a drama.
Yeah.
And dramas are supposed to be dramatic. You know, this is how I see certain things, and I feel like when I watch something, or if I want to watch something, it's for escapism. You know, a lot of people also had concerns, and they were commenting about how can a medical student just zone out.
Totally.
Obviously, it's in real life, if you see, it's not possible. But if you see it in the eyes of, let's say, storytelling or dramatics and this, it is possible. It's fiction. And you're supposed to otherwise तो फिर वो एक documentary type.
But like you said, people take it so seriously that they're telling you कि उनकी जिंदगी से बाहर निकलें. So this is the impact of our drama on the audience or on the masses.
But I think उनको ये भी चीज समझनी चाहिए that this is every drama has a different genre. You know, कोई serious होगा, like, I know, I don't watch a lot of dramas, but there's like Case Number 9, or वो different चीजों को लेके
core value
वो चलते हैं, core value के उसको लेके चलते हैं. But this is a love story about 2 people.
Yeah.
Toxic, non-toxic, there'll be an arch, there'll be